Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm a lifestyle channel that covers beauty, hair, and fashion. Remember to hit that like, subscribe, and notifications buttons for future videos. Today we have an exciting video lined up for you. We'll be unboxing a bleach kit, bleaching 2 wigs, and they both have T-part knots, shampooing them twice, conditioning them, applying a leave-in conditioner, and showing off the amazing results. So let's dive right in. So first things first, let's unbox our bleach kit, which is from Manic Panic, which is on Amazon. Inside we have the bleach powder, developer, gloves, a mixing bowl, and a brush. Safety is crucial when working with bleach, so make sure to follow the instructions carefully and protect your skin and eyes. As you can see here, I'm just taking the gloves out of the hair cap and putting the gloves right on my hands to protect my skin from the bleach. Next, I'll be taking the powder out of its packet and putting it inside the bowl. Then I'll be putting the developer inside the powder in the bowl. And I'm just going to mix the developer and the powder together with the brush, and then I'll let them sit together for about a minute. Here I let the bleach sit for 1 minute, and now I'm going to be bleaching the wigs. So now that we have everything ready, it's time to bleach the knots on our wigs. Bleaching the knots lightens the color and helps them blend better with the scalp. We're using a T-parting method to achieve a natural looking hairline. Each wig will sit with the bleach for about 30 minutes. Fun fact, this is one of my oldest wigs with U-Nice. I've never bleached the knots and I'm really excited to now. One tip to remember is to apply the bleach mixture to the knots using a brush, making sure to saturate them evenly. Take your time and be gentle to avoid damaging the wig. Also, remember to let the bleach sit for the recommended time mentioned in the instructions. Another helpful tip is to allow the wigs to sit on aluminum foil for the duration of their time while they're bleaching. This will help seal in the heat. Okay, so my timer just went off at the 31-minute mark. Alright, it's time to rinse off the bleach. Gently rinse the wigs under cool water until the water runs clear. Then it's time to shampoo. We're going to shampoo each wig twice to ensure that any remaining residue is removed. Use a sulfate-free and color-safe shampoo like the one I'm using, which is Shimmer Lights, my ultimate favorite. Massaging it into the hair and scalp. Rinse thoroughly and repeat the process for the second shampoo. Remember, gentle handling is crucial to maintain the integrity of the wig. And on the second shampoo, we're letting it sit for about 5 minutes. After shampooing, it's time to replenish moisture and restore the wig's softness with a good conditioner. Apply a generous amount of conditioner to each wig, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Leave it on for a recommended time mentioned on the product label. While the conditioner works its magic, let's talk about the benefits of conditioning wigs regularly. Conditioning helps to reduce tangles, improve manageability, and keep the hair looking healthy and shiny. As you can see from these results on the first wig, oh my gosh, these are amazing. The knots are so much lighter and less noticeable, creating a more natural hairline. and are so ready to be styled and installed. And consult with a professional if you're unsure about the bleaching process or any other treatments. After I rinsed out the conditioner, I applied a leave-in conditioner, and this is an important step because it helps protect the hair from heat, environmental factors, and keeps it hydrated throughout the day. Apply it through the whole entire wig, focusing on the ends and the areas that need extra care as well. I'm just going to be gently brushing the hair with a brush and distributing the product evenly. We're going to continue doing last looks of these amazing wigs, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and wig transformation video. If you found it helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Thank you.